All right, we have Jeff's 59 Cadillac here, and what we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna notch out the frame, the front cross member, to add this piece in here so we can have clearance for the oil pan in this area. So that's what we're gonna work on next. There's a view of the area we're gonna cut out within the lines. All right, there it is. Cut out. All right, so everything is obviously completely dirty, but fitment is perfect, spot on. Motor mount, motor sat where it needs to be. Yeah. Now let's pull everything back apart, clean everything up. Gonna dress up the engine. I'm gonna have to order a header for this side and modify it to clear the steering box. But as far as fitment goes, it's exactly where we want it to be.